Hello and welcome friend to my new video of my channel All-in-One Gamer. In this video I'm going to show you my new smartphone, which is a monster. A great design, Samsung M31s. Monster shot. India's leading 64 megapixel IntelliCam with single take. Take single take photos which give multiple outputs using video, pictures and filters. You can share instantly on any social media platform. Use the camera to max all your moments. Choose up to 99 filters and you can take smart selfie angle. Take 64 megapixel nudge, shoot epic photos. Powerful front camera, 32 megapixel front camera with single take. And there's more. A monster display that will leave you spellbound. Infinity O display. Less bezels. 6.5 inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. This is what you need. Amazing video quality, vivid colors. Cinematic viewing experience. 20:9 aspect ratio. 16,000 mAh battery. You can use up to many hours. 25 watt fast charging, 0 to 100% in 97 minutes. You can even charge your second phone using USB Type-C to Type-C. Best monster performance. Samsung Exynos 9611 with 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, 6GB and 8GB RAM. Amazing gaming experience. And this is what you need. Expandable up to 512GB. A monster that kills with its looks. Sleek design, available in 2 colors. Thank you. Made in India.